In the vast landscape of legal representation, certain firms specialize in handling complex cases that involve large commercial vehicles, commonly known as big rigs or semi-trucks. These cases often entail catastrophic injuries, extensive property damage, and intricate legal issues. Big rig accident law firms dedicate their expertise to advocating for victims of such accidents, ensuring they receive fair compensation and justice. This article delves into the critical role these firms play, their unique challenges, and their commitment to upholding safety on the roads. Understanding big rig accidents. Big rig accidents pose significant risks due to the sheer size and weight of these vehicles. A fully loaded tractor-trailer can weigh up to 80,000 pounds, dwarfing passenger vehicles. When collisions occur, the consequences can be devastating, leading to severe injuries, permanent disabilities, and even fatalities. Factors contributing to these accidents include driver fatigue, improper maintenance, distracted driving, and violations of traffic regulations. The complex legal terrain. Navigating the legal aftermath of a big rig accident requires specialized knowledge and experience. Unlike typical car accidents, these cases involve multiple parties, including trucking companies, drivers, cargo owners, and insurers. Determining liability often entails unraveling intricate layers of responsibility, such as assessing maintenance records, driver logs, and compliance with federal regulations like the Federal Motor Carrier Safety Administration, FMCSA, guidelines. The role of big rig accident law firms. Big rig accident law firms serve as advocates for victims, guiding them through the complexities of the legal process. Their primary objectives include investigation and evidence gathering. These firms conduct thorough investigations to gather evidence, including accident reports, witness statements, black box data, and expert opinions. Establishing liability is crucial for securing fair compensation. Legal representation. Experienced attorneys represent clients in negotiations with insurance companies and litigation proceedings. Their goal is to ensure that victims receive adequate compensation for medical expenses, lost wages, pain and suffering, and other damages. Expertise in trucking regulations. Big rig accident law firms possess in-depth knowledge of federal and state regulations governing the trucking industry. This expertise enables them to identify violations and hold negligent parties accountable. Advocacy for safety. Beyond individual cases, these firms advocate for improved safety standards within the trucking industry. They may participate in legislative initiatives, promote awareness campaigns, and work with regulatory agencies to prevent future accidents. Challenges faced by big rig accident law firms. Despite their vital role, these firms encounter several challenges in pursuing justice for their clients. Resource intensity. Big rig accident cases often require extensive resources, including hiring accident reconstruction experts, medical specialists, and investigators. The financial burden can be substantial, particularly in prolonged litigation. Insurance company tactics. Insurers representing trucking companies often employ aggressive tactics to minimize payouts or shift blame onto victims. Experienced attorneys are essential for countering these strategies and protecting clients' rights. Jurisdictional complexities. Big rig accidents may involve parties from different states, each with its own laws and regulations. Navigating jurisdictional complexities adds another layer of challenge to these cases. Emotional toll. Dealing with the aftermath of a big rig accident can be emotionally draining for victims and their families. Compassionate legal representation is crucial for providing support and guidance throughout the process. Conclusion. Big rig accident law firms play a vital role in advocating for victims of catastrophic trucking accidents. Through their expertise, dedication, and commitment to justice, these firms strive to hold negligent parties accountable and ensure that victims receive the compensation they deserve. As long as big rig accidents continue to pose risks on our roads, the work of these firms remains essential in promoting safety and accountability within the trucking industry.